Yes, today we will try to understand how to convert numbers into scientific notations. Because in science, in physics and chemistry, the numbers need to be written in a particular way so that they can be easily added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided. It helps in it helps in writing big numbers in a smaller way because we are going to be dealing with the atoms and molecules which are very minute, and when we experiment them, the number is a huge number. So it's better to write those numbers in a particular way so that they can be processed easily. But that's why scientific notations are introduced. So in this particular exercise, we are going to convert the given numbers in a scientific notation. And what is scientific notation is like you're going to write the number, the first part of the number in between 1 to 9, in between 1 and 9. And the second part will consist of 10 to the power to something, which will be either a negative or a positive integer. Say for example 0.0048, this is a number, and we are going to write it and express it in scientific notation. So how will you do it? So we will try to move this decimal up to first, second, third, to third decimal place, right? So you're going to move the decimal to the right side for 3 digits, 3 places. So it will come to here so that it becomes 4.8. If it is moved to here, it will become 48. So we'll move to here only. So that it becomes 4.9. That is a number between 1 to 9, right? A number from 1 to 9. And what will happen to the to the tens notification? What will happen is we have by moving the decimal to 3 places towards the right means we are increasing this is a very small number 0.0048. This is a big number 48 4.8. This is bigger than this. That means we are increasing the number, so the power, how will it be adjusted? The power will get decreased for by how many places? By 1 2 3 3 places, so it will be 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, let's see the second example. It will be more clear. Will be clear if you see the second example. So consider this number 234,000. Now how we'll express this in scientific notation? So here, where's the decimal? Decimal is somewhere here. It's not visible. It's not right. There is no number after this. The decimal is here. It's like invisible. So now we are going to move this decimal not to the right side but to the left side. That will mean we are decreasing the number. It's 234,000. Now it will become 2.34. Right. So how many places we are going to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. That means this number will become 2.34. It's a big number. 234,000. It becomes only 2.34. So how will it be adjusted? It will adjust by writing the tens power. What will the power of 10? Since we have moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, that will 10 to the power 5. Either it will positive or negative. Let's consider once again. So what we are doing here, we are decreasing the number, right? By when decimal places move towards left, we are decreasing the number. So it will be adjusted by increasing the power. Increasing means will, in other sense, it will be a positive number. So it will 10 to the power 5. Here what happened? We increase the number, right? So the power will be like decreasing, balancing it. So it will minus. When it is moved towards left, we are decreasing the number. So the power will be adjusted by increasing. Increasing means it will be positive. So it becomes plus 5. So what I mean is the power means what? How many places of decimals you're moving? That is the power. Either it will be negative or positive. It depends on whether you are increasing the number or decreasing the number. For example, in this case, you're increasing the number. So it is by decreasing it. That is negative. Here you are decreasing the number, the first part. So in the power, it will be adjusted by increasing. That means positive plus. So in that way, suppose now consider. Let's see this example. 8,008. So how will it be converted to scientific notation? Where's the decimal point? It's just after 8. So it will move 1, 2, 3 places and becomes 8.008, right? So since we are moving 3 places, it will 10 to the power 3, positive or negative. But since it was a big number, it became smaller. So it will be adjusted by increasing the number. So it will be positive 10 to the power 3. What about this one? 500.0, right? It's 500. We want it to be in between 1 to 9. So how will you do it? We'll move the decimal point towards left by 2 places. So it will be 5.000. I have not removed this 0 after decimal. I am still maintaining it. So the number of significants are same. Here there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. Here there are also 4 significant figures. By not removing this 0, I am maintaining the number of significant figures. And what about the power? Since we have moved 2 places, the power will be 2. It may be minus, or it may be positive or negative. And how will I know that? Because since it was 500 and we decrease the number, so it will be increased. That means increase means positive, so it will be plus 2. Now what about this one? 6.0012. It's already, the number is 6, that is in between 1 to 6, so there is no need to change this number. What about the power? Let the power of since there is no movement of the decimal place, the power will be 0. 10 to the power 0 is 1. We know that in exponents, power uh, power 0 to any number becomes 1. So this multiplied by 1 is the same number. So this is how we express the numbers, given numbers, in the scientific notation. It will help you in doing the mathematical calculation in both physics and in the chemistry.